Gradually. Thank you. Oray umubinsa na his mas panggap iti pamati so na iti older than me so nga. Thank you God. At kas kanta, nga kanta sabay kumanta like iti desire iti may isang tao kada tayo nga life is meaningless without Jesus is nga amok amoy rito sa titled Biyak. Kedua nian walau si bigang yang mamegang kemat sabsabung ikada si bigang yang maamudang sungasya tawat uama manbiaga simpan laidang kumang tanunan biak tebiak manpatinggang amuyang si kadang kumang manbiak magay sesalbi
This moment, I just want to honor my brother. That's why we have a cake here. I just want to say happy birthday. That's why I don't want to put my name here because it's his birthday also this April. And I just want to surprise him. So, happy birthday, my brother. I honor you being the first in the family. Come and blow your cake. Kahit ikaw lang mag-blow ka. That's why Go, blow your cake. Kanta na natin ng happy birthday siya.
Will you stand and sing happy birthday? Yeah, let's stand. Saya muna siya. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday to you. Happy dance! Yan!
So again, I honor you as my brother. And look, just blow your candle now.
Blow the
Happy
candle.
birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Glory to you,
Thank you guys for all being part of this life. I know the prayer and now is here. Thank you.